In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account in TurboTax. If you need to update where your tax refund will be sent, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward once you're in the filing section. The main thing to remember is that you'll want to enter your banking information carefully, because even a small typo in your routing or account number can cause delays. To get started, open your TurboTax return and go to the File section. This is where TurboTax walks you through the final part of the process, including how you want to receive your refund or handle any payment details. Once you click into File, look for the Your Refund Info screen. On that screen, click Continue. This takes you forward to the next part of the refund setup. Depending on your return, TurboTax may show an additional offer or optional service before you get to the actual refund method selection. If that appears, choose No Thanks to skip it and continue to the refund delivery options. Next, select Direct Deposit. This option lets you send your refund directly to a bank account, and it's usually the fastest and most convenient way to receive your money. After choosing Direct Deposit, click Continue to move on. Now, you'll be taken to the screen where you can enter your bank details. This is the step where you update the account information. Carefully type in the required banking fields exactly as they appear on your bank account. Typically, this includes the routing number and the account number, and in some cases, you may also need to confirm the account type, such as checking or savings. Take your time here. It's a good idea to double check each number before moving on, especially if you're entering the information manually. Using the wrong account can cause your refund to be rejected or sent to the wrong place, so accuracy is very important. Also, make sure the bank account you enter is active and able to receive direct deposits. If you're unsure, you may want to verify the information directly with your bank before submitting your return. Once your new bank details are entered, TurboTax will use that updated information for your direct deposit selection in this part of the filing process. From there, you can continue reviewing the rest of your return as needed. That's how to change your bank account in TurboTax. If you follow these steps carefully and review your details before submitting, you'll help make sure your refund goes to the correct account without unnecessary delays.